All right, hey guys, how's it going? I thought I would just step through exercise 1, just kind of get you started. Proud of all you who are doing your reading, doing your exercises, things like that. Let's get into it. So this exercise is going to deal with the map function, and again, map is a specific function. It's a built-in function. So there's functions that you can describe yourself and that you're going to define yourself, and JavaScript has certain functions that are already built in. You learned one of them in the reading called set timeout. Here's another one called map. It's built into the language, and what it is specifically a array method. So it's not any random method you can put on any type of data structure. It is a method made for arrays. It is a function made for arrays. So the syntax will always be the array name dot map, and it takes as an argument a function, and what it does is it literally maps each element in that array into that function, just one at a time. The first one, the second one, the third one, etc. So it takes the element in the array and it maps it. It runs it through whatever function you've passed as a parameter. So in exercise 1 here, practice your skills. And if you're anything like me, the pirate lingo got kind of tiring pretty quick. But anyway, they ask us to complete this map. Practice your skills, okay? Create an anonymous function, set it equal to a variable. Your function should do the following things. So let's just do this one at a time. Create an anonymous function. So we'll open up our REPL here. Replit. I don't think I even typed it right. Sorry about that. And we're going JavaScript. All right, so again, the first thing, create an anonymous function and set it to a variable. And it's going to either be passed a number, passed a string, or something that's not a string or a number. So it looks like it's getting passed a single argument. So anonymous function is getting passed a single argument. So I'm just going to put argument. And I think it said set it to a variable, right? And set it to a variable, okay? So let's, what are we doing? We are going to, if it's passed a number, return the triplet value. Okay, return the triplet value. If it's passed a string, return arg. So it's going to just, I don't know, call it whatever you want to call it. Let change it equal that function. Right? Squiggly bracket, boom. So we have a number of conditionals, and we know that. We've got the big if statement right there. That's kind of a clue. So if it's passed a number, return triple the value. If it's passed a number, return the triple value. So I'm going to literally type that. If we're passed a number, so if the argument is a number, and the way we check for that is what? Type of, right? So if the type of argument, if that is a number, then we want to, I think it said triplet, return the triplet value. And they tell you right there, return. Like they're giving us a lot of help right here, which is cool. So return argument times 3. So far so good? All right. Otherwise, else if what? Uh-oh. Doing too much. Uh-oh. Slow down. All right. Else if what? If we're passed a string, return the string R, the exclamation point. All right. So otherwise, if the type of what we're passed, which is the argument, if it is a string, then we're going to return R. A-R-R-R, exclamation point. Okay. I think there's one more condition. So otherwise, else, what? If it's not passed a number or a string, return the data unchanged. Okay, so I don't even need that. Otherwise, just return the data, and the data is argument. Boom. Boom. Whoops. Boom. Okay. Cool. So build your function, be sure to test it, add to your code, use your function and the map method to change this array. So we're going to copy it too much. So this is the array. So let's let my array equal that. Nice. All right, and so we want to use the map function in that array to transform all the elements in the array. So the map function is a function on arrays. So it's going to be, we can console, well, let me just type it this way. So the array is my array, and we're going to map the function, but the function is called change it. That's just what I called it, right? And if we want to see the results, we're going to console log that out. So console.log, boom, 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 and that should be it. So we have our function here, it's an anonymous function. We set it to the variable change it. We have 3 different conditions. If the type of what is passed, or the type of the element is passed is a number, what to do. If it is a string, what to do. And then otherwise, just pass it unchanged. So it looks like we have a string here, a number here, a string here, a number here. Let's put something weird like, I don't know, blue? No. I wonder if it'll interpret that right. True. Let's see what happens. And we're going to print it out, console.log, my array, right? That's the name of the array, map function, and take the function name. Oh, there we go. So it returned R for both the strings, this one here and this one here. It returned triple the number, so 21 went to 63, 100 went to 300, and then my Boolean true, it left it unchanged as true. And that is exercise 1 in the exercises for chapter 11. Thanks.